just reached 2,000 subscribers, so thank you guys. So I decided to do a little crafting after seeing my little busy bee, little friend Marianne, with all her beautiful crafts. So I decided to make these very simple snap button necklaces on these cords. I found these at Michael's. And what these are, you just take one of these buttons, and it, I'm sure you guys have seen this. There's another name brand company that makes these. And these are such beautiful crystals. They're really, really nice. And they're all rhinestone. They don't tarnish. So I decided to just put them on different corded necklaces. And again, they are interchangeable. So you can just decide to change whatever pendant that you have and put a different one on. This way it makes it very versatile with your jewelry. And here are all the different, and I have more. And I sell these usually at craft fairs, but I never did it with the cords. So I'm kind of super excited about this. I also decided to break out my memory wire, and I made this, excuse my nails, they're a mess. Cultured pearl and Austrian crystal memory wire bracelet, and I used just glass and crystal beads, and I put some dangles. Now, when I used to make these in the past, they were so big and chunky, and I used such big beads, and I decided I gotta stop. I was getting crazy because I love bling, I love big and loud, and I just, I decided that I was going to make these a little bit more dainty. And so this is how these turned out. I really like them, and I used silver colored, these are, cultured pearls. So they're made in a farm, a pearl farm, so that's why they have all those different colors. And then there's this one. I think I used more pearls on, no, I think it's the other one. And then I put little dangles. And I love these memory wire bracelets because, like Marianne said in her video, they can stretch. It doesn't matter what your wrist size is. So that's how those turned out. And this is what I did today. All right, guys, have a wonderful and safe and blessed Friday. I'm trying to keep my house as quiet and calm as Marianne's. Bye.